Word family, egg. Let's learn the egg family words. E, G, E, G, egg. B, egg, B, egg, big. D, egg, D, egg, dig. Egg, egg, fig. G, egg, G, egg, gig. J, egg, J, egg, jig. P, egg, P, egg, pig. W, egg, W, egg, wig. Now it's your turn. Ready?
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of these videos, click like and subscribe. You can also press the bell button for new videos.